Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing fine. Today I'll be sharing with you all a very easy and delicious recipe of fish karahi. Normally my mom makes it, but it's my grandma's recipe and today I'll be demonstrating it in front of you all. So let's start. Here I'm showing you all some marinated and frozen pieces of fish that we've already done. I'll be sharing with you all that how we do them in the next clip. But here look at the spices you'd be needing to make this karahi. Just regular spices like red chili powder, turmeric powder, ginger and garlic powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, some cumin seeds, some garam masala powder and some salt. As well, we'll be needing some spring onions, a couple of tomatoes and few green chilies. We'll be chopping the vegetables now, and while I chop them, I'm sure you won't be interested in watching that, but will be interested in knowing that how we washed and marinated the fish pieces. So when we get the fresh fish, we normally marinate it with some salt and let it marinate for a couple of hours, depending on how much the fish you have. If more in quantity, better to let it marinate for maximum 2 hours. If less, 30 to 35 minutes is enough. Then we're going to thoroughly wash the pieces and we'll be preparing our marinade. We'll be needing a lot of lemon juice. Let's suppose if you have 1 kg of fish, you'll be needing like 1/4 cup of lemon juice. You'd be adding some chili flakes to it, some turmeric powder, coriander and cumin seeds powder that you will be preparing by roasting the seeds and then will be coarsely grinding them. We'll be needing some Garam seeds as well as some garam masala powder, and everything you'll be mixing and then just let it marinate and then after some time freeze them, and you can fry them if you want or make the karahi like I am right now. So you can see that in the wok I've put some oil and just going to place the pieces, and we'll be after a few seconds we'll be just flipping them over. We aren't going to fry them, we are just letting them warm up a bit kind of. And then after that step is done, we're just going to put all of the vegetables on top of them along with all of the spices that I've showed you in the previous clip already. And that's it. We won't be adding any water to it or any other fancy schmancy things. That's it. The flavor of the seafood is basically natural. You don't need to camouflage it by adding a lot of spices. But of course, when you're preparing a desi cuisine, you have to have those spices that we use in our daily cuisine. And that's it. You don't need to add, proper garam masalas on this or that. Just minimal spices and your karahi is going to turn out divine. The key is that you won't be flipping the pieces with the help of the spoon until or unless they're cooked. You just need to shake the wok a bit after some time, and I think you'd be needing 15 to 20 minutes and your karahi will be ready to serve. You can look at this right now in front of you that I am, just not doing anything special to it. Just let it cook covered over low medium flame, and that's it. That's the final look of the karahi. You can have it with roti or chapati or with rice and enjoy at whatever time you want. And you can dish it out as well, but I did not because I wanted to keep the rustic look. And that day for the dessert, we made some gur wale chawal, jaggery sweet rice. I'll be sharing the recipe of it next week, inshallah. And I hope you guys are going to give this recipe a try and will definitely be leaving feedback. As always, all of the ingredients and their measurements along with all of my social media handles are mentioned in the description box below. Please keep liking, keep sharing and commenting, and do subscribe if you haven't already. I shall be back with more really soon. In the meantime, take good care of yourself and of your loved ones, and don't forget the less privileged ones. Bye for now. Allah Hafiz.